Welcome to Incredible App channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock home screen layout in your Android phone. So at first, if you go to app screen, if you want to add this app to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to home screen. And here it is. Now if you want to lock your home screen layout, just go to app screen, then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. Now from here scroll down a bit and here you can see lock home screen layout option. Now you have to just enable this option from here and it's done. Now your home screen layout has been locked successfully. If you want to remove this app from your home screen, just touch and hold it and you can see remove option is disabled. Also if you go to app screen again, if you want to add this app to your home screen, just touch and hold it and you can see you cannot add this app to your home screen. And that's it. You have successfully locked home screen layout in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.